Do you find yourself in this position often where he basically already passed the guard, but you're still pushing and trying to resist here? Stop doing that. Let him pass and start working on your early exit. Here are two of my favorite escapes. My first one here is to slide your hand down to his wrist to get a cross grip. And just hold there, wait till he collapses his hips. When he falls down, you push it backwards. I block here, I change the grip, I let him come down, and I turn around. I'm blocking here with resistance, I let go, cross grip, enter. Yes. The other escape is a bit easier. If you cannot catch this one, simply don't let him pass until your arm is inside along your body. Okay? So the only defense you need to do is put your arm here. It doesn't matter if he gets an underhook on you or not. You keep your arm here as he's passing. As you complete the pass, you push up and you do like a ghost escape and you get out. From another angle, when we're blocking here, this arm comes inside here. You can hold your own thigh or you can just have it along your body. This doesn't really matter. Whenever you're ready, relax in this one so he can pressure you down. Underhook or no underhook doesn't really matter. And then this one is ready to come out. In full speed, it'll normally look like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.